This is Doug Sherman. I'm here to show you how to make fast to a cleat. This is a cleat. This would be a halyard or a rope. It's truly called a line. But what we want to do to make fast to this cleat is take our line and go around the far side of the cleat. Go back up around the cleat, and then all we're going to do is do one loop and tighten it up. So the lines lay parallel here, and this line comes over the top. So it's a one line over the two. It looks a little different because we have two lines here. Let's just drop one, and we'll do it with a single. So down around the bottom, over the top, and then we're just making a loop. So they lay parallel here. It's very, very simple, really easy. It'll hold it through a hurricane. What you don't want to do is something like this, because this is not right. In fact, this is ridiculous wrong. Because one, that's going to loosen up. Even if you manage to get this around this horn, this will loosen up. There'll be a lot of slack in your halyard, your boat, or your flag will come untied. So we'll go through it one more time, this with the double. So we are working with the flag here. It goes up and it goes down. We go down, around the cleat, over the top horn, then we're simply making a loop or a cleat hitch and drawing it tight. With all this, sure, you can just hang it there. It's not going to come undone. If you want to make it look pretty, maybe loop it over like that. As simple as that. Bye now. Thanks for watching.